Well, we were talking earlier about the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame inductees, which we'll talk about in a little bit, but Saturday's weather, that was rocking and rolling too.
It sure was.
I mean, and it was dangerous in a lot of places. We saw a lot of the damage out there. I mean, it was scary stuff.
Yeah, and it happened at night too, which is always more challenging, tougher to get around. Fortunately, we didn't have too many power outages. That was more of a rain issue. And this week, guys, we get a break, which
nice.
I think we've earned. Look at these weekend rain totals. Almost 7 inches of rain in Kennebunk. Wells about 6.5. Cape Nettic about 6 inches of rain. In Portland, we had 4 inches, and in Bangor, just over 3 inches of rain. A lot of leaves came down over the weekend too. And if you want to get out in the yard and clean things up, you're in good shape for most of this week. I don't see any real wet weather on the way until maybe at the end of the week, but even that doesn't look like a big deal. Nice view this morning out over Portland, where it's 51 degrees right now. Not too chilly for the first morning of November. 52 in Bangor, 44 in Lewiston, 49 in Augusta, and we're at 45 degrees right now in Sanford. Nice and clear through most of central and southern Maine. There is a weak front to our west, and along this front, a couple of sprinkles. So I can't rule out a brief sprinkle this morning, especially in the mountains. But the bigger story will be the breeze that kicks up as the day goes along once this front goes by. And I think you'll feel that breeze this afternoon. So a brief sprinkle possible this morning. Otherwise, it's a mostly sunny day. High temperature probably happens around 1 or 1:30, and then temperatures will start sliding into early evening with that cooler, dry air building in from the west and northwest. Average high right now, 54, and we're headed for 60 today in Portland, 58 in Bangor, mid-50s through most of the interior this afternoon. And again, with some gusts topping 20 miles per hour, a noticeable breeze this afternoon. Tonight it will be partly cloudy, a chilly night. Lows will be in the 30s, but not that cold for this time of the year. And tomorrow there will be some patches of clouds around. We'll call it partly sunny. A cooler day tomorrow, but pretty decent. Maybe a sprinkle in the afternoon, but I think the chances for that are pretty small. High temperatures tomorrow, right on target for early November. 52 in Bangor, 53 in Waterville and Rockland, and 54 the high tomorrow in Portland. Now that cool air establishes itself over us for the mid and end of the week. And this disturbance coming through on Wednesday actually could trigger some snow flurries and snow showers in the mountains Wednesday morning. As those showers come south, it will be mild enough for rain with temperatures in the 40s. Then Thursday, I think we'll have highs only in the 40s, mid-40s on Thursday. That's the chilliest day of the week. By the end of the week, there will be a storm offshore, but at the moment, I'm thinking that the storm track will keep it offshore. Let's watch it since it's still a few days out, but at the moment I think we'll be in good shape for the end of the week with cool air and likely dry weather for the upcoming weekend. Seas today will be around 4 to 7 feet. Small craft advisory is up because of the gusty westerly winds. So it's bright, it's breezy today, highs in the upper 50s, partly sunny tomorrow, lower 50s, maybe a few flurries in the mountains on Wednesday, and then it's cool. Highs only in the 40s on Thursday, lows will be in the 20s to around 30 Thursday morning. Upcoming weekend, turn the clocks back Saturday night, and as long as that storm stays offshore, we'll be in good shape with dry weather and highs around 50, which for early November, guys, is not that bad, and no nor'easters, no flooding rainstorms in the forecast either. We'll get a break.
Good to hear that.
We need the break. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.